Just like I talked to you guys about trading for a prop firm, remember you have this basket of stuff you're up against as a trader. Like you have this huge basket of things you're going up against. You've got the market, you've got the news, you've got the currencies, you've got a whole country worth of nonsense and they're bozo people and all the good and bad and bombs and leaders and everything in between. And then you've got the church, and then you've got the liquidity, then you've got the hedge funds, and then you've got the brokers and the management and the spreads and the slippage and the commission and get all the things, right? Perception and reality and psychology. You're trading against so much. When I'm taking my active trades, I know I can manage them. I know what I would do with them. But everyone is coming from this different point. They're trying to link it with different management, different rules, different brokers, different purposes, different lot sizes. And with that level of unknown variables, I don't want to fail people. It's hell because I know what I do and I'm net positive. Like there's a 0% chance I'm not on my worst week. I know how to trade, period. And I have no doubt in that. But when somebody else dictates that, whether it be through management, company level or management, personal or client level, it's hard. And the people want, hey, I want what Jenny has. That sounds great on paper. That sounds great, in your subscription letter. But if you can't handle that on whatever level, then it doesn't matter. Like I can't get it to you. There's no way around that.